Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today we are going to discuss about the criteria for congruence of triangles from the congruence of triangles 7th class NCERT. Here is the topic about the criteria for congruence of triangles. Before going into this, we have to discuss about the triangles. You already know about the triangle and types of triangles also, I know that, but just here in-depth discussion about the triangle. In one triangle, let it be this as triangle, and this is as A, this is as B, and this is as C. Okay. Now, in this triangle, what we have? 3 vertices and 3 sides, right? And finally, we are having 3 angles also. 3 angles. Apart from vertices, we are going to discuss about the sides and angles. Based on sides and angles, we are having types of triangles also, right? Types of triangles. Those are acute, obtuse, and right angle triangles. And based on sides, scalene, isosceles, and equilateral. So these are the 6 types of triangles based on angles and sides. But why now we are discussing this is for criteria. What is the criteria? So if you want to make any triangle, in order to make a triangle, what objects? It may be side or angle. These two are main to construct a triangle. Okay. So for that purpose, I am explaining this. See here, triple S. It means side, side, and side. Here, side, angle, and side. If you take this, angle, side, and angle. This is right angle and hypotenuse side. So these are the specifications compulsory have to make a triangle. So that's why I am discussing here. Now I will give you one side as side 1, okay, to make a triangle. Like I am giving 4.5 centimeters. Now can you make a triangle with 4.5 centimeters only as a one side? No, it's not possible to make a triangle because of we cannot know the what is the specification. If it in case it is a equilateral triangle, we have to take 4.5 centimeters in all sides, we can make a triangle. But here I did not mention any property of a triangle. Then how will we get the triangle? No, there is no chance. But in order to get some improvement in it making a triangle, we have to take another side help. So I will give you 5.3 centimeters. Then you will get a two sides of a triangle, but there is no angle I will given and there is no side I gave. But how you construct a triangle? So this is also not possible because of I cannot say any property of a triangle, that is isosceles also. So it is difficult to construct a based on two sides of a triangle. If I give side 3 as 6 centimeters, then it is possible because of there is 3 sides in a triangle, it is possible to construct a triangle. So this is as side 1, side 2, side 3, like triple S criteria for a congruence of triangle. Similarly, SAS, it means side, angle, side. So we are later discuss about this, but coming to here, side 1, side 2, side 3, constructing a triangle. Let's see the example of that problem, then you will get better understanding about how to construct a triangle with given 3 sides. So let's move into the example. Now this is the case 1, triple S. It means side, side, side. Example problem. In triangles ABC and PQR, AB is equal to 3.5 centimeters, BC is equal to 7.1 centimeter, AC equal to 5 centimeters. PQ is equal to 7.1 centimeter, QR is equal to 5 centimeters, PR is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Examine whether the two triangles are congruent or not. If yes, write the congruence relation in symbolic form. So, in this we have two triangles, triangle ABC, triangle PQR. There is a related three sides given. So, let's start construction of a triangle with a given matter. So, now I am taking BC as a side. So, this is triangle ABC. So, BC as a base. So, take BC 7.1 centimeters. So, I am taking like this. This is 7, this is 0 and this is 7.1. Okay, right? Now, make a base. Now, this is called BC with 7.1 centimeters, right? Now, let's take another base for triangle PQR also. So, I am taking also PQ as 7.1 centimeters here. See, this is 0 and this is 7.1, right? This is P and this is Q as 7.1 centimeters as bigs. So, if you get confused, I am writing here, take step 1 as make base. Now, step 2. Now, take the help of a compass and make the arcs for the given one side. So, take compass help to make arcs of the sides. Okay. Now, related with B, I am taking here AB with 3.5 centimeters. So, I am taking the help of the compass and making 3.5 centimeters. So, see, this is 0 and 3.5. See, exactly it is 3.5 centimeters. So, take this without any disturbance, make an arc like this. See, now exactly here we are having PR with 3.5 centimeters, right? So, at P we have to make 3.5 centimeters arc. So, I am write down here. See, this is as another arc. Okay. Now, next one is, this is step 2, this is step 1, step 3. Make another arc also. Make another arc also. So, next line is here related to C. So, it means BC over AB over. So, it is AC 5 centimeters. So, take the help of scale and compass. Again, measure 5 centimeters. So, see, this is 5 centimeters. So, let's take 5 centimeters and draw a arc like this. That arc must be touches to the another arc also like this. Without any disturbance, take same 5 centimeters and at Q. See, QR is equal to 5 centimeters, right? So, make another arc also. Now, there is a point of intersection here, right? Let it be R. Here also point of intersection, let it be A because of triangle ABC, because of triangle PQR. Now, let's connect the AB and BC. Here also PR and RQ. So, I am joining. You can make with a pencil also. It is easy to erase there is any mistakes. So, it is QR. See, this AB having 3.5 centimeters and AC having 5 centimeters. Similarly, RQ having 5 centimeters and PR having 3.5 centimeters. Now, examine whether two triangles are congruent. Yes, of course, because of in this 3.5 centimeters, 5 centimeters and 7.1 centimeters. So, all sides are equal. So, these two triangles are said to be congruent? Yes, of course. So if yes, write the congruence relation in symbolic form. So we have to write it as symbolic form. Yes, these two triangles are congruent. So therefore triangle ABC is approximately equal to triangle PQR. So this is the representation of symbolic form of the congruence relation, and this is the construction of a two triangles with the given sides. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.